So it's Saturday and we got our Brizzy show tonight, and we're really excited for tonight and tomorrow night because, yeah, everyone that's bought tickets, we don't actually know many of the names, but we feel like these two shows are our show. You know, it's exciting that people that have journeyed with us and listened to our music are coming to these shows. It's not just like a festival where someone just happened to be there. It just means the world that, yeah, people have found our music interesting enough to want to come and hang out with us for an evening. So we're really excited. Just in time for setup. I love a good no rain forecast. And it's sunny now. Jesse makes sense of this nonsense.
I don't even know what to say.
Alright, round two. So we're just about to play our Brizzy show. Just having some moments of chill before we go out there. We like to chill.
It was a simple inquisition. We got nothing to lose. Oh, we ain't got nothing to lose. It's something. It's going out of style when nothing is hidden. It's all on display. I'm making a vow to love you this way.
Let's go, round two. That's our map still drying out from last night. There he is.
There he is.
The man, the myth, the legend. Oh yeah, this is a vibe.
What you can, which the birds fly. And I went, surrender to the sound. On my way, keep my ear to the ground. And I saw you there with the rising sun.
Good to get the training though.
So we decided a few months ago to make every Monday a rest day for our little family. Usually it consists of like waking up slow, coffee, really good food. Sometimes we'll stay at home all day, maybe go for a walk around the neighborhood. Other times like today we'll get out into nature, go and do a rainforest walk or some kind of a bush walk or go to the beach. But the intention around it is just to have a really slow day and to connect as a family.
Yay! way she can fit in this properly now. Alright, we're going for a bushwalk.